Hello and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. Today, we'll see how to send contact form emails in PHP using PHP Mailer. In this tutorial, as an example, we'll use a basic Contact Us form consisting of the standard fields and a submit button. We'll also implement Google's reCAPTCHA system to protect the form from spam. To use this system, you have to register a developer account on the reCAPTCHA page and obtain the required credentials. You can find the relevant link in the description of this video. So now let's take a look at two parts of the code we prepared. First, the back-end part is written in PHP. Second, the front end, which includes the HTML form markup with the necessary fields and a button for reCAPTCHA integration. Additionally, we have this JavaScript code that handles the reCAPTCHA verification process. Now, let's dive into the back-end code responsible for processing the submitted form and sending the email. First, include the necessary classes from the PHP Mailer library and the autoload file generated via the composer. After this, specify the secret keys that make reCAPTCHA work. They can be obtained from the reCAPTCHA Service Administration panel after registration. Once the secret keys are set, reload the form page to verify reCAPTCHA integration by checking for the logo in the corner. After receiving the form submission, sanitize the input parameters from the request and send a validation request to the reCAPTCHA service. Do this by using the sanitize input function, which removes unnecessary spaces and ensures proper formatting of the input. If any errors occur, they'll be stored in the error array. The script runs a validation check to ensure that the name and email address are valid and that the message field is not blank. The error message variable will display the relevant message to the user if there is an error. Here's an example of how this would look like. If there are no errors, the script should proceed to create the PHP Mailer object for sending the email. For error handling during the sending process, use a try-catch block to catch exceptions and show an appropriate error message to the user. Next, configure the mail object with the credentials and the SMTP server. In this example, we are using Mailtrap. Once you register an account with Mailtrap, you'll get your credentials and can copy-paste them over to the script. And don't forget to indicate the encryption method. After configuring everything, all of the form data can be sent to the listed to email address. If the email sending is successful, a success message will be displayed. Now let's fill out the form and submit it to check that everything works. Once submitted, we can see the success message. And if we go to the inbox, the email with all of the information from the form is here. And that's a wrap on sending contact form emails in PHP using PHP Mailer. We at Mailtrap hope you found this tutorial very helpful, and thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform. To test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. Like and share this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials like this one. And we will see you at our next one.